Hello and welcome. Today we are talking about a very common problem for English learners. Do you sometimes translate words in your head before you speak? That takes time. It makes speaking slow. It makes conversation feel difficult. But there is a better way. Today, I will show you how to stop translating in your head and start speaking more naturally. Stay with me and let's begin. Section 1. Think in small English chunks. When you translate word by word, your brain has to work too hard. English does not always match your language word by word. That is why translation feels slow. Instead, train your brain to think in small English chunks. A chunk is a short group of words that often go together. For example, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. See you later. These are natural English chunks. If you practice them as one piece, you don't need to translate. They will come out quickly and easily. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. How are you? Good again. How are you? Now, I'm fine. Thank you. Once more. I'm fine. Thank you. And now, see you later. That's very good. Keep going. The more you practice chunks, the less you will translate. Start with simple daily phrases. Use them again and again. Soon your brain will remember them as English, not as translation. Section 2. Don't stop to translate it. Look up the word later. Use your dictionary. Learn the new word and use it. This is much faster than translating. Also, if you don't understand a phrase or a sentence, don't try to translate it word by word in your head. Try to understand the chunks. What do they mean? When you understand the chunks, you understand the whole sentence. Section 3. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you speak slowly and make mistakes, other people will understand. Most likely, they will correct you, and you will learn something new. It's okay to make mistakes. It's normal. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. Even children make mistakes when they learn their first language. So don't be afraid to speak. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be brave, be bold, be creative. Use what you know. Don't translate word by word. Think in chunks. Remember, you are learning English, not translating from one language to another. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge when you speak English? Leave your comment below. Write 1 or 2 sentences. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Hello, this is section 2 of the lesson. Now we're going to talk about why shadowing works. Many learners read books and study grammar, but when they try to speak, they freeze. Their brain is too slow. So if you want to speak quickly and naturally, you must think quickly. And this is what shadowing teaches your brain to do. It trains your brain to work faster. You do not have time to translate in your head. You only copy the sounds you hear. So let's try this exercise together. Ready? Okay, listen to me and repeat after me. This is a very simple sentence. I am going to London to study English. Listen to the rhythm and the stress of my voice. I am going to London to study English. Now it's your turn. I am going to London to study English. Very good. Now you are thinking faster. Your brain is a muscle. The more you exercise, the stronger it gets. So keep practicing, shadowing every day. Now let's talk about the second reason why shadowing works. Shadowing improves my listening. When you shadow, you must pay attention to every sound. You notice intonation, stress, and natural pauses. So let's practice again. Ready? I am going to London to study English. I am going to London to study English. Very good. Now, I'm going to make it a little more difficult. Listen and repeat after me. This is a very simple sentence. I am going to London to study English. Now it's your turn. This is a very simple sentence. I am going to London to study English. Excellent. Now you are listening better. You can understand native speakers much better than before. And the third reason why shadowing works, it makes you sound natural. Many students have this problem. They speak too slowly and their pronunciation is terrible. But if you practice shadowing every day, you will sound more natural because you learn to listen and speak like native speakers. So let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. That's excellent. Now you are speaking with natural stress and intonation. Now, I'm going to give you some time to practice. Find a quiet place and shadow these sentences. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. The goal is practice, not perfection. Each time you shadow, your fluency grows. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just continue. Don't stop. Before we go, let's do one more exercise together. Listen and repeat after me. That's excellent. Keep going. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. The goal is practice, not perfection. Each time you shadow, your fluency grows. Mini recap. Shadowing works because it makes your brain faster, your ears sharper, and your voice more natural. Hello, I'm here. Welcome to my channel. Let's speak English together. Today we are going to talk about something very important. It will help you to speak English faster and more naturally. I call it using pictures in your mind. Let's begin with section 3. Use pictures, not translation. When you see an object, your brain can connect it directly to English. This is much faster than translating from your language to English. For example, when you see an apple, think apple. Don't think the translation of apple in your language. When you see the sun, think sun. Don't think the translation of sun in your language. This is called direct connection. Children learn their first language this way. They see, they hear, and they repeat. You can do the same in English. Let's practice. Imagine you are holding a cup. Repeat after me. This is a cup. Again, this is a cup. Now, imagine a book. Say, this is a book. Again, this is a book. Look around your room. Pick one object. Point to it and say in English, this is a underscore. fill in the word good. When you practice like this, you build strong English thinking. You no longer depend on translation. Your brain becomes faster and more natural. So remember, connect English directly to images and experiences. Train your brain to think like a child learning English for the first time. Now let's practice. Look around your room. What do you see? I see a underscore. There is a underscore. I see a underscore. There is a underscore. Very good. Keep practicing at home. Find lots of objects. Make lots of sentences. You can also use this method with new vocabulary. For example, if you are learning the vocabulary of happy, you can imagine a smiley face or a happy emotion. You can repeat, I am happy, you are happy. He, she, it is happy. When you use this method with new vocabulary, you remember it much faster. Why? Because you are connecting the word directly to the meaning. That's all for today. Remember, use pictures, not translation. Connect English directly to images and experiences. Train your brain to think like a child learning English for the first time. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Hello everyone! Welcome to this English lesson. In this lesson, I will teach you how to stop thinking in your native language when you are speaking English. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. I make videos for you to learn English step by step and reach your fluency goals. Also, don't forget to follow my social media page. It's very helpful for your learning. You will find useful content there. I post there every day. Okay, let's begin. Section 4. Practice speaking every day in real time. Many learners only study with books, but real speaking happens in real time. That means you must practice saying words out loud, not just reading silently. Even short daily practice makes a big difference. Here is one simple way. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, if you are cooking, say, I am cooking rice. Again, I am cooking rice. If you are walking, say, I am walking to the store. One more time. I am walking to the store. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Good again. I am learning English. Now, I speak a little English every day. Repeat again. I speak a little English every day. That's excellent. You are doing well. The key is not perfection. The key is consistency. Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. The more often you speak, the less time your brain has for translation. You will begin to think directly in English. Now, I want to give you some homework. Find one of your friends and call him or her every day for 5 minutes. Talk about anything you want. At first, it will be difficult because you need to remember the grammar rules and vocabulary. But if you do this exercise every day, you will see great progress. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to follow my social media page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. This is the last part of the lesson, Section 5, Build Confidence and Trust the Process. One reason learners translate in their head is fear of mistakes. You want to say it perfectly. People understand you even if your grammar is not perfect. What matters most is speaking clearly and naturally. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. You are doing great. Whenever you feel nervous, take a breath and remind yourself, I am learning. I am growing. Your brain will slowly stop translating and start trusting English as your language. You think in your native language and then translate into English. Instead, allow yourself to make mistakes. Native speakers don't think before they speak, they just speak. This blocks your fluency. Grammar is important, but don't think about rules while you are speaking. You can use the little grammar you know, and you will improve with time. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone does. Even native speakers make mistakes. Enjoy the process of learning English. Fluency will come with time. Just relax and enjoy the journey. I hope this conversation was useful. Please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.